What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. This is the PBA Finals game for recap. And ito na yung ito na yung Calvin of Tana game na hinihintay natin. It was a blowout, but at least for the confidence of Calvin of Tana, it was amazing. Something that he can take on to the next games, especially na RR Pogoy is out. No? Na-re-aggravate daw yung hamstring injury niya. Prayers up to Pogoy. He started well. Yung first half, never came back. Series is tied. 2-2. Boys, balita? Nasaan tayo sa series? Where are we heading towards?
We're
Pun
heading
intended.
toward. What did you say?
Pun
Where are we heading
intended.
to?
We're
Ah,
Oh,
heading.
actually, Heading also played really well. He was
okay.
dishing. He killed SMB in the first half.
Dude,
Jordan, along with Calvin.
yeah. Um, well, I'll say this. I was wrong. I was wrong.
You said 3-1 ba?
I
Yung
said
ano mo?
3-1. I thought it would
TNT?
be. Yeah, I thought SMB was gonna just run away with it after the game 3 win. I was absolutely wrong. TNT has more heart and soul than I
Lumaban.
could have ever imagined, and it helps a lot when your 3-point shots finally go in. And
Mm-mm.
here's my new theory on this. Okay, wait, sorry, I can't. My glasses were blurry. Oh,
Just to add on to what Mario said, TNT with 14 threes, 14 of 31, 45%.
yeah. So, wait, I'm just trying to check if my theory is correct.
Ano ba theory mo?
Uh,
Boss.
correct. Wait lang. One. Correct. Last one. Alright. Uh-huh. Yep, I'm right. Okay. Every time Simon Enciso scores more than 5 points for TNT,
They
it's
win.
game over. TNT is gonna win that game. And this isn't I'm not even trying to joke around right now, brother. In the first game, when TNT won, Enciso was the one who kind of like gave them life in
Started
the
it.
first quarter, diba? And then even in this one, I'm not saying he was the one who gave them life. It was truly Jordan Heading and nobody else, and Calvin and Ray. But if guys like Enciso are able to hit their threes also, is what I'm trying to say, is when things are really clicking for TNT. It helps that Glenn Cobuntin was also hitting threes. Jordan Heading was on fire in the first half, and he hit that 4 point shot from half court, which that was kind of crazy. That counts as four. I'm assuming it counts as four.
Hmm.
Right? Yeah, that should count as
Yeah,
four.
it counts as four.
Yeah, but it wasn't even just like yung shooting ni Heading. It was more of like he was driving to the rim, and yung passing ni Heading ang ganda today. He was finding people wide open for corner threes. Si Kobuntin, I think both of his threes came from passes from Heading. Calvin got so many passes from Jordan Heading. And like Nico said at the start, brother, this is the Calvin of Tana you need, especially now na wala si
Pugoy.
RR Pogoy. Calvin of Tana was red hot, mid-range three-pointer, no matter what,
Lahat.
it was going down. Yeah. It was going down, brother. 5 from 8 from three, and some of these were contested, um, but some of them were wide open. So this is, I think, one of my favorite adjustments that TNT made is they like this new. They started running this new handoff, this dribble handoff into a 3 point shot. I don't know where it's been, or I don't know why they only brought it out today. Pero a lot of the shots that were going in for TNT was off maybe off Tana handoff, a heading handoff, an ambatak handoff drive to the rim. So like how in game 1, it was that drop pass that was killing SMB. Sa game 4 naman, nag-adjust ulit yung coaching staff. It was gonna be that handoff naman.
Um, I'll make it simple, man. TNT was just hitting their shots and SMB wasn't, di ba? It's hard to beat TNT pag pumapasok ang tres nila eh. It's a known fact in this world, and this was the game. This was the game that it really was going from first to fourth. Hindi tumigil eh. Talagang it was an avalanche um, from start to finish. And this was the game that SMB can afford to lose after a convincing game to win and sinuwerte sila ng game 3. This is a game that they can afford to lose. Calvin of Tana has found his stride, brother. This
That's
is
two
going to
games in
be
a row.
really. 2 games in a row. Yep, this is going to be really dangerous if you're San Miguel. Although, medyo bonus sa'yo na nawala si RR. Kasi si RR mainit din kanina eh. Hit a couple
Matiis
of
siya.
3-pointers.
Hmm.
Oo, di ba? Before he went down, he had 2 3-pointers, 2 of 2, plus 10 on the court. But only played 7.5 minutes kasi nga na-injure siya. So, medyo, at least if you're SMB, parang makakaano ka na wala si RR for probably the rest of the series na because of the way
You'd
it looked.
never know, bro. You'd never know, bro.
Yeah, well, you never know about TNT.
You'd never know, bro.
Yeah, sure right about that. Well, I mean, if it's I don't know, if he comes back, then yeah, I'm not gonna be surprised. But this was the game where TNT was hitting their shots and San Miguel wasn't. Calvin Oftana with 29, Heading with 17. Again, a healthy Jordan Heading is I'll put him slightly
MVP
above.
candidate?
No, no,
Oh,
But-
really?
No.
no, no.
A
I
healthy
mean,
Heading is not an MVP candidate?
MVP candidate, like, yeah, probably runner up to fifth because there's only one MVP when he's healthy. It's Junmar.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
take away Junmar. Let's take away Junmar.
Yeah, he's an MVP candidate. He's right up there. He's a better version of Cabagnot when he's healthy. Yeah. 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 You know, I mean, it's not a bad thing to say.
I don't
Tapos,
think I think you're underrating Jordan Heading a bit, man. But all right.
yeah, he's a better version of Cabagnot.
You said better. Sorry, I thought you said Alex was a better version of. Okay, my bad.
No. Heading is better than Cabagnot when he's healthy, man.
That's what I was like, wow.
Tapos, sabay pa sila, alam mo yung weird, yung pag off silang Batak, off din siya. Pag on fire siya, on fire din silang Batak.
Bro, I think it's because
Um,
of the space eh. Like pag gawa ng space si Jordan. Wow, Jordan. Mas
Si Jordan.
nakakagawa na rin ng space si Ray, man. Like, and Nambatak, I think in that second quarter was really the one who kinda pushed
Added
it.
pressure. Keep on
Yeah, he
attacking.
pushed all the
Hindi
way.
mo contain.
mhm.
Bro, sakit sa ulo ni Ray Nambatak kung ikaw yung depensa ng SMB.
And Mario, dagdag ko lang. Laking sakit sa ulo. Ano to? Sakit sa ulo. Pinagsabay Heading and ng Batak. Starting
Eh,
5.
Hey brother, wait. I don't wanna not to take away anything from the game, but what are we doing? Why are we in the shadows tonight? What's the vibes today?
It's
It's
too,
the
ano,
lighting.
It's the lighting. It's the lighting. It's the lighting. Kasi pag nakabukas to, nagre-reflect back
I
siya.
thought you had a prop coming in or something. I forgot.
Grim lang yun.
Okay.
When did I ever get props?
No, but pwede pala yun. Heading in ng Batak pala dapat yung nag-i-start para hindi kayo natatambakan. Instead of Halalon and Aurin and
Tapos
Cesar
watch the
and
next
Aurin.
game.
Oh,
Watch
wow.
the next game. Start Halalon and Aurin.
Wait, you're supposed to
Who could've
start your
figured it
5
out?
best players?
Wow. Oh, wow. I mean, that's revolutionary from Coach Chot. Like, nobody ever thought of that before. But,
To be
I mean,
fair, I think we can also agree. I don't think SMB starts their best 5 either.
I'm about to get that in a second, man. I'm not a fan of what they did. But ito yung sinasabi natin eh, di ba? Huwag sila magpapaiwan sa una because our run will certainly be coming from
Yep.
TNT. And pag galing ka sa likod, down 15-17, ginamit mo na yung first run mo, good ka lang to tie the game or probably take the lead for a little bit. Pero ito, naman, nung dumating yung run nila early in the first, in the mid part of the first, tinambakan agad nila SMB. And from that point, it was game over. People were just, passing time na hindi ma-traffic outside of MOA. That's how it basically went, brother. Huwag kang magpaiwan against SMB because it's so hard to come back against them. Even if you do, meron yung second win. Then this time, yung second win nga na SMB di dumating eh. So, but I also wanna say, brother, Kelly Williams had this. Actually, he was better in game 1, I think, but iba yung
Pwede na.
aura niya.
Pwede na.
Iba yung aura niya kanina eh compared to the
Bro,
last two
because he was
games.
making
The threes were hitting.
Yung threes were hitting. Oh, by the way, man, I think pag yung PBA sa Paco Arena naglaro, yung mga 3-pointers ni Kelly Williams tatama sa bubong, no? At tataas ng 3-pointer ni Kelly Williams.
Gaganon ka eh.
You know, like, uy,
He's doing it, man.
Ano ba yung
Shooting star.
yung kay Kelly, it's either all net siya, as in like it won't touch any part of the ring, or it won't go in at all. Kasi ganyan kalobo yung tira niya, and it isn't straight na pwede pang mag-bounce or whatever. Hindi man, dire-diretso lang yun. It's like, okay, if it's going in, it's going in, man. And nahanap niya yung pitik niya ngayon.
Man, I'm telling you, pag si Kelly Williams naging seaman and then naglaro siya ng basketball sa barko, they would
Hanggang
have to have
over the
5
net.
balls.
Over the
5
net.
balls, man.
Di ba may
Minimum.
mga net yun?
May mga net. Pero sa kanya,
Kahit
over
sa
pa
net,
rin.
lalampas pa rin.
Kelly
yan.
na naman,
Kelly-
nag-tres. Nag-tres na naman si
Kelly
Kelly.
Williams.
Yung mga kasama niya, they'll be like, yo, man, what do you want us to do, man?
What are you doing? What are you
Isang buwan
doing?
bago pa tayo mag-land.
What are we doing,
Yeah.
man?
What are you doing, man? But, yeah, sobrang lobo ng mga tira niya. But he played good. BGR was a monster defensively.
Crop sa BGR.
Grabe si
Grabe yung
BGR.
depensa ni BG. I didn't know he could play defense this well. And Henry Galinato, man. I mean, God is unfair. Face card plus
Body
basketball
build.
skills. Body build, diba? I mean, hairline, jawline,
card.
nose. It's
Oh,
a preview
oh,
of what we're
oh.
gonna do. It's a preview of what we're gonna do.
Chin.
Yeah, man. I mean, there's...
Groin.
And his lips.
Buha pa ba?
Sabi ni Graham, his luscious lips that I can't stop thinking
Oh
about.
my God, those lips are juicy, man.
Oh.
No,
But,
man.
man,
Kim Aurin, step
And
aside, brother.
yeah, but come on, I'm sorry, bro. You're not stepping up. But
I'm
he
glad
was,
you brought
he was
up,
a
bro.
monster. He was a
Bro.
monster. Di ba binutatahan niya si Motau Tua twice in the second
Bro,
quarter?
Actually, binutatanga
That's
si
why
Mutot.
I'm glad you brought up Henry. I don't know if you guys noticed. The adjustment one of the another adjustment TNT made today was first off the bench is not Poy Eram. First off the bench is Henry Galinato. And I think
Yeah.
that is a pretty major adjustment to make. Kasi we I won't say we love Poy Eram, that's a lie.
I like Poy
we-
Aram.
Yeah,
you,
brother.
you, because you're not a
You.
Ginebra fan.
Oo nga pala.
You and Lex fan.
Wala na, tapos sa
Who used-
kontrata ko, bro. That
who
is
used
a
to have
paid, that is a
Aram.
paid fan.
But-
I was a paid
yeah.
fan.
like
Oh, wow.
we know how good he is, right? He can shoot the ball, he can defend well. Pero heft-wise, lamang talaga si Junmar, man. Like,
Oh,
that's
kay
that's
Poy?
really-
O kay Henry?
Kay Poy.
Kay Poy, yeah, oo naman.
Where's my printer? Just randomly turning on. Anyway, so yun yung difference. So Henry now, being the first guy off the bench, makes it a completely different story as compared to when it's Poy Eram. Kasi babangga si Henry, brother. And he doesn't have the shooting Poy Eram does, and he probably never will. But the finishing he has inside really is improved talaga. And like you mentioned
Oh.
kanina, bro, wala siyang takot kay Motau Tua, man. 2 butata in a row. And he wanted all that smoke, bro. That's why I love the idea from Coach Chot, if it was Coach Chot who decided to make Henry the first guy off the bench na big man. Because Poy Eram played 7 minutes. They were a decent 7 minutes, man. But Henry provided the heft na kailangan mo against Mo and Junmar. And let's be real. Stats won't say it. 18 and 16. That's a great game from Junmar Fajardo. But we know it. That was not a great game from Junmar Fajardo, brothers.
Yeah.
That's just the high standards that we have for him. But kulang yung bigay nila sa bola sa kanya for me. Like, it's probably because he had 2 guys on him every time it went into the post, so it doesn't help. Pero ayun, that was one of the major adjustments from TNT.
Yeah, Henry Galinato did something that hasn't been done in about 2 weeks. Slow down Motau Tua.
Okay.
He did. Diba?
I was getting worried there. I was wondering what you were gonna say.
No. Diba? Parang Motau Tua only had 9 points in this game. So, good job by Henry Galinato. It's not something that you can say na a wild pull by Coach Chot. Kasi inaasahan mo rin naman si Henry
His confidence is
Galinato
all-time high. Si
napapasok
Galinato.
at some point.
His
eh. But,
confidence high.
Mhm,
Heading to
brother,
this
I mean,
series.
the problem kay Henry minsan talaga is yung finishing niya. But today he finished
Soft
so
touch
well.
siya around the
He
rim.
was-
Meron siya
Oo.
mga reverse layup na gano'n. So, kailan pa kagaling si Galinato?
Graham, can you
Yeah.
can you repeat what does Henry have a hard time doing?
Finishing,
Kinilig ang putik.
finishing. I mean, I can,
He choked on his own lawan.
I can give you some pointers about finishing Henry.
Oh my God.
But
I think we should end this podcast.
Anyway, but
it's
yeah,
just
yeah,
how deep they are.
Pag hindi
It's
tayo
just how deep
sponsoran,
they are.
alam mo na,
Oh
saan
my God.
galing. Mario, pag hindi tayo sponsoran.
Not even that. We're gonna get demonetized then. But you're,
Wala rin kita sa YouTube, tinanggal lang.
sobrang lalim nila, man. We laughed. You laughed about me saying yung second five na SMB is better than Magnolia. I mean, the second five of TNT may be better than some of the other teams in
all
the
right, who?
PBA.
Let,
I would
let's name the
say,
second five. Let's name the second five of TNT.
yeah, okay. Let's name the second five. You have Simon and Cecil. Do we still count our Pogoy at this point or no?
Sige, let's just say for
Okay,
now.
sige. Okay, let's say our Pogoy is there. Then Kabuntin, Galinato, and Eram.
You think that five is better than some starting lineups in the league?
Yeah. Yeah, Terra Firma,
Okay,
Blackwater,
I can give you Terra Firma.
Phoenix.
I will not
even
give you Phoenix, brother. I am
You're
not
so
giving you Phoenix.
okay, all right. You're so high on Phoenix,
Nico,
man.
please, Nico, help me out here, brother. He just said the second five of TNT where he named Enciso, Pogoy, Galinato, Eram, and
Kabuntin.
Kobutin is better than
Blasphemous
Phoenix.
yan, bro. Phoenix.
What?
Blasphemous yan. Blackwater
Phoenix?
siguro, oo.
Blackwater, I
Phoenix.
might even give you Blackwater. Phoenix,
What do you mean might
Balong-
even? You have to.
bro, Balungay,
I'm giving Phoenix. I
Perkins,
told you Phoenix
Tio.
na ako.
Yeah, no,
Giving
I'm
Phoenix
talking
na.
about Graham, talking to Graham.
Ah, okay, kala ko sa akin.
Yeah,
Phoenix
brother.
na.
Yeah. No, Graham said that that they're better than
Perkins.
Phoenix. Perkins, Balungay, Tio, Rivero.
Who's their
uh,
three?
So many other, what's his name?
Ferrano? Hindi, wala na
Kenneth
si Rafi.
Tuffin,
Yeah, Ken Toffin,
Kenneth
yeah.
Tuffin, Two Daves, dude, come on, man. What are we doing?
Okay. All right.
What
All
are we
right.
doing, Graham? That is,
Okay.
I
Okay.
know there
DMD.
aren't many Phoenix fans out there, so not many people are gonna be mad at you for that one.
Are
But
there any Phoenix fans really?
I'm one of them. I'm not gonna lie. I am
Wow.
non-paid Phoenix fan. Si Nico kasi kanina paid NLEX fan. Ako non-paid Phoenix fan, dude.
Unpaid Phoenix fan rin naman ako.
Yeah, dude,
naman.
they're good. I don't know why you hate Phoenix so much. They're good, man.
We haven't met any Phoenix fan, to be honest with you.
Anyway, going back to it. Yeah,
Alright,
TNT,
but yeah, they're deep.
they're deep. They're deep. They are deep talaga. Second five is very strong as well. I don't know if they're better than Phoenix, but yeah, I get where you're coming from. And then now we move on to SMB, brother. And I'm gonna start this off. Graham, I'm gonna give you all the credit in the world, man. You were absolutely right. Chris Miller has averaged 1 point a minute. You know, every time
Told you.
Chris Miller has stepped on the court, it has been 1 point a minute. And you guys are gonna clown me for this, or people are
brother,
gonna.
Mario, and the moment he steps on the court, 50% of the fans have already gone home.
Okay,
Actually,
here's
kanina
my
nga,
thing.
wala nang nanonood.
Here's my thing, ah. People are gonna call me a hater for doing this, but I'm still gonna do it, and I'm gonna say it. What does Wami Chongson provide that Chris Miller cannot?
Oh, beautiful wag to watch the game.
Oh damn, that's something to say, Nico.
Well, I mean,
Dude, 14 minutes for Wami, 3 points. And again attacked on defense, but that's not something. I mean, that's not something we have to talk about. Chris Miller, 4 minutes, 4 points. I know it was garbage time, and I'm not gonna say now Chris Miller scored more than Wami. Blah 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 blah. I'm not stupid, but this guy is your 9th overall pick, 10th overall pick, and I don't fully understand what he can't do. Maybe we haven't seen, maybe sa practices nila, he isn't that good, or maybe something like that. But man, Jeron gets more minutes than him. Wami gets more minutes than him. Chris Rosales got more burn than him before he could even get there. I don't think Chris Miller is this bad for him to be playing behind all three of these guys. I could be wrong. I probably am, but I wouldn't be surprised if we see a bit more of him. Before you go ahead and talk about the main guys of SMB.
man, I want to go dun sa decision to start Marcio again. What happened? Did Jericho Cruz lose a bet para mawala siya sa starting lineup. Then he start in the uh, third game kung saan they were up by 16 points in the first quarter. What happened? Why did Marcio start again? And then hindi na naman siya tumitira. He was 0 for 3 from the field. Minus 14 overall.
Jericho did start last game.
Di ba? Parang, okay, something was going for you and then you're gonna change it? I get it. I get it si Coach Chot na binago niya yung starting five niya. Kasi they were losing for 2 straight games. Di ba? Why would you start Marcio if Jericho was playing well? Hindi
I
ko
get it.
naiintindihan yun, man.
Good.
That's why you fall behind early. Are you reserving Jericho for ammunition of the bench? Pero still, malalim naman yung bench mo di ba?
At what point do you start Don, bro?
Yeah, that's another thing. But I guess at this point, natanggap na natin na si Don Trollano should come off the bench, parang Manu Ginobili, which is fine. But I don't get starting Marcio again. I think yung naiwan sila sa first quarter, that's it. Kasi Jericho is tricky, man. Kailangan si Jericho mainit agad Because if he's going, para siyang si CJ, then he's
Parang
hard to
nag-fade
stop.
into the background. Like they fade into the background, no?
Yeah, pero pag nag-umpisa sila ng malamig, sobrang hirap niyan. Minsan mga F1 pa yan si Jericho, si kuya niya si RJ Barrientos. Pag malamig yung umpisa niya. So,
Kaya si
I mean,
Enciso binalibag niya He just
diba?
literally
I mean,
nag-pass pa.
bro, hindi ko nagigets yun. And then, in Game 5, Jericho will start, SMB will win, and, all is well in the world, di ba? But
Then in game 6.
we'll see about that, man. We'll see about that. But, brother, don't start Marshall if you're Coach Leo. And for me, the reason SMB lost this game is CJ Perez just really, really struggled. 4 of 15. He was forcing a lot of drives. Minsan na uwi sa turnover, he was a minus 20. If you're box score watching or reading, you'll say, what a game by Junmar. But he was ass, man. He was ass. I don't know how he only missed 4 shots.
I don't know why it
Siguro hindi rin
looks
kasi
so good
ganun
on the stat sheet, bro. Because
diba?
it did
Wala
not
siya nagawa
look
ng first
that
half. 3 and 5 lang siya nun. 3
good. It
points,
did
5
not look
rebounds
that
lang.
good not in person. Nico, were you there in person? Did you go?
I was there. Hindi mo talaga siya naramdaman ng first half. Parang iniisip mo, injured ba si Junmar? Ganun
Yeah,
yung feeling ng first quarter.
Di ba man?
Ay,
Parang,
first half, sorry.
yeah, I think it's the BPC jinx. Di ba? Ano yun?
People
May
say
kasabihan
that.
yan na
Ay,
na pag,
nakita ko sa Facebook
na pag
nga yan.
nanalo. So,
I think sobrang bigat nung plaque na binibigay nila dun sa BPC winner. Sobrang bigat nun na it takes away all the energy of the player. Kasi bro, this is not a coincidence that every time somebody wins BPC, it just
Talo.
it becomes a stinker after that, dude.
man, I'm curious. Junmar has already won 13 BPC, tama ba? 13 BPC na yung award ni Junmar. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sabihin, meron siya 13 bad games in his career, man. It's just, that's the only time I'll catch Junmar with a bad game. But
Dude,
it's,
can I just say, yung GMA Sports ata yung nag-post. GMA Sports ata yung nag-post nung thing when Junmar won. You know their caption was 13 reasons by.
13 reasons why.
oh, that's genius.
Hey, I like that. That's witty. I like
That's
that.
genius. How about you do that to the NCAA? Who doesn't get attention? GMA Sports. How about you do that?
I don't know who it was. I'm sorry.
Okay, if it's not GMA, then sorry about that. But if it's GMA, how about you do that to your own product?
13 reasons by.
13 reasons
Number
why.
1 has nothing to do with basketball, but it's
so funny.
The fact
Yeah.
that they just found a random ass thing where they could change the word "why" into "by."
Why?
Those that get it,
Anyway.
get it, man. Those that get it will find it funny.
They went, yep, perfect.
I bet the editor-in-chief was like,
Nico, as somebody who works in sports media, tell me what you feel about 13 reasons by.
I love it. I would give that person a raise.
I love it.
Is it better than
Reasons why.
Is it better than calling RJ Barrientos the Blitz?
Brother by a mile. By a mile.
By a mile. Graham,
That's
What would
that's
you
you're an
what would
actually
you name
you're an
RJ, bro?
English major. You like that.
that's
Aminin mo
actually a
maganda yung
question
13
I
reasons why.
that's actually a question I did not need an answer for, man.
Dude,
But
I think the next thing they should do is when Junmar puts up a triple double, they should make it bye bye bye. You know, like
oh yeah. Well, I mean,
dude, they have opened a can of worms with this bye thing, which I am in love with, man. I'm
and
gonna
is the
say,
buy spelled ano? BAI?
yeah, it's spelled
Oh,
BAI.
BI. 13 reasons why.
Dude, I don't care, man. SMBU won the game just because of that. Like, just because of 13 reasons why.
Figuratively, not
Like, dude,
literally.
I write blurbs and all that for Ateneo for a lot of my school year, man. 13 reasons. I'm never gonna top 13 reasons by.
Ang galing nun kasi naman give him a raise.
Anyway,
Yeah.
sorry, sidetrack. Graham, go ahead. You can continue about SMB, brother.
No, I mean CJ played bad. I'm doing something by the way, which you'll see later. Um, CJ played bad, and this is the cold CJ Perez that you're gonna get, diba? Um, I expect him to bounce back, which is you know not a prophecy, but just a fact based on the law of averages. But man, I'm really disappointed with how they started the game because of Marshall Lassiter. And bro, I know we have to always respect Chris Ross, but he's been ass this series, brother.
Bro, game 5 pa lang kasi sa game 5 pa lang tayo. Alam mo naman yun, brother.
I
Pag game,
know, but man, I mean, sa atin, game 3 pa lang, pinapatay niya na tayo.
Siyempre, hindi
Can't
naman
do
yung
that to your
nakabantay sa
ano.
kanya sa game 3, pre.
You can do that to your rivals. You can do that to your sibling, but not to your rival. Come on, Chris Ross. But yeah, we are now in the deep part of the series where Chris Ross becomes one of the greatest players of all time.
Yes,
And
he becomes a GOAT
um,
point guard.
mhm, it's the bad start, man. Whoever starts well in this series wins, which is how it goes for 90% of basketball games, to be honest naman. Pero nadali talaga yung SMB with the 3-point shooting at wala talagang sinagot yung San Miguel. Yung kumawala yung TNT, man, ng double digits, wala na. Tapos na yung laro. Parang walang run yung San Miguel. Unlike nung game 1, di ba? When they went behind by 19. Binaba nila sa isa with 7 minutes remaining. Ito, wala. Walang kabuhay-buhay yung San Miguel, brother. It looks like, which is funny kasi dapat TNT yung naubos from that game 3 loss na masakit,
Or
di ba?
feel ko, akala
Ito
ko nga
parang,
from that RR Pogoy injury, I thought that's where they'll lose it. Pero hindi,
oo,
mas
yung parang momentum swing, di ba? Pero parang bumulusok pa sila lalo. I mean, I'm
that's the
talking about
word.
the,
Bumulusok.
oo, di ba? I mean, I'm talking about yung CJ Perez 4 and CJ Perez 3. Masakit yun for TNT. Hirap bumawi nun. But parang yung SMB pa yung naubusan ngayon. That's why they're lucky
Yeah.
that they got the third game.
So, are we allowed to say na if CJ didn't turn into
Steph
Steph
Curry.
in game 3, it would be TNT 3-1? Uh, uh,
Yeah.
yeah,
I mean,
Could have been TNT
SMB may have come out a
better.
little bit more aggressive. So we can say, I mean, hypothetically, yes,
Yeah,
you can say
hypothetical.
that.
Hypothetical.
Pero mag-iiba rin kasi yung laro ng SMB. Pero yeah, I mean, it's not a bad thing to say, to be honest.
Yeah, I see you.
Yeah,
yeah.
I mean,
Who do you
go.
get game 5?
You, Mario, how about you?
I don't know, brother. After I got the first 2 games right, I've gotten the last 2 games
I've been
wrong.
wrong. Dapat si Graham
I've been-
nagpe-predict Mario.
So I'm good, but for me, I believe this still goes SMB in game 5, I would say. I think SMB wins game 5. I don't think they start this slow and play this badly again in this whole series.
Feel ko
And
this is the
we
worst
know-
we'll see them na Mario. This is the
yeah, I think
worst
it's
we'll
the
see of
worst we'll see
SMB.
them. And we know naman Coach Leo, he doesn't really he doesn't take him a while. It doesn't take him a long time to adjust. So after game 1, when they couldn't figure out the drop pass, they figured it out in game 2 and 3. I'm assuming in game 4 they're gonna figure out how to defend the handoffs and the double and the Galinato first guy off the bench thing.
How about you, Nico?
SMB, next game.
You all,
3-2.
what's crazy to me, man, is you all pick TNT to win the series.
In
And then they're
7.
gonna fall. Yeah.
Dude, to be fair, man, I did say, what did I say? TNT in 6? Oh, you're right. I
No.
should choose.
Yeah, TNT and
Wala
6.
na, sira na yung prediction ni
I should
Mario.
choose
Wala
TNT.
ka naman.
You're right. You're right. I should choose TNT.
May pulis tayo dito, no?
Hey man, I'm not
Keep
gonna lie.
track, eh.
I'm just gonna change it up, man. I don't
TNT
even
in
care.
7.
I don't even care anymore. I don't know, dude. TNT in 7, SMB in 6. I don't really care anymore. Like, all I know is that once I got the third game wrong, my script has gotten absolutely destroyed after. So, hey, if you guys are rooting for either side, just know I do not care who wins this one. But I do believe SMB wins game 5. I believe TNT wins game 6. Tapos game 7 is a literal toss-up. But I do believe now at this point, this goes to 7.
All right. Um, Stop me when you heard this before, man. One team is done winning in this series. Like one team just notched their last win of the series. What's behind me, man, is a door. Di ba? May
Oh, I
pintuan sa
knew it,
likod.
dude. I knew it. Because I was like, yo, something is different.
There's a championship door right behind me. So
Ano yung championship door dyan?
this is a championship door. There's another door. There's one door. There's another door.
Where did you get the door?
Sa galing yan? Yung props na yan. Patingin.
Championship door. At the back of it says, man,
Ano nakasulat?
what does it say?
Hindi kita. Lapit po.
Screenshot
May
this,
props
ha?
na. Wait lang, screenshot ko. Wait.
Screenshot
Pang
this, ha?
promote ko.
SNB in
Post
6.
ko.
I think that's the worst game that they're gonna play. And TNT may just really feel yung loss ni RR Pogo. Although they haven't really felt RR Pogo in this series. But, brother, telling me, SNB wins on Sunday at the Mall of Asia Arena. MOA ba? Yeah, MOA Arena. On
Brother,
Sunday.
Dire-diretso natin sa MOA.
I don't care what you said after what you just said. I don't understand where in the world, number one, where in the world did the door come from?
Hindi yung sinasagot. That's not the
number
point
two-
now. That's not the point.
Number 2, at what limit do we put these props, dude? It started out
The
small.
papas.
It started out small. It started out with the jerseys.
Gusto ko yung fortune
then
cookie. Gusto ko yung fortune
Yeah.
cookie. That was a good one.
jerseys, fortune cookie. Then we got to a doctor's outfit. That was fine. And then
Man.
I think I thought
Yung
we reached,
yung paputok. Yung
I thought we reached our limit at the paputok. I was like, okay, that
Dinama
has
yung
to be it.
asawa. Dinama
Bro,
yung
I'm
asawa.
telling you.
You brought out a door. A door. You brought out a door not on its hinges right now.
You got the whole door.
Brother,
I-
I'm telling you. This is
Oh my
full
god, what
with
are we doing?
props. Man, bro, I'm telling you. Once Ginebra wins the championship, this will be open, man.
Oh, so never.
I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm serious. And
Graham,
Justin
did you
Brown
hear
is,
that? Graham, did you hear that? Nico said also never.
and hey, Justin Brown is coming back, by the way. So
Actually, pwede nga
I'm
kayo
just
manalo. Pwede kayo manalo with Jay.
Brother,
I'm just
you know who's
saying.
not coming back? Ismael Romero. Brother Meralco,
Oh my God.
if you put Ismael Romero
Oh,
in
yeah,
your
man.
PBA roster,
Mababaril sa labas yan.
please guys, like
Bro,
put
that's
some respect on your on Nick Demuses.
Grabe,
I know he
no?
isn't. I don't know if he's on Ross right now or not.
Wala na. He's
Yeah.
out na. He's out of the PBA
Brother,
na.
put some respect on Nick Demuses. If you allow for Ismael Romero to be still part of your team, that's just so disrespectful, man. Like does nobody realize he genuinely could have killed Nick Demuses
Sa ulo,
with the
no?
kick?
Stomp.
he
Ground
tried.
na yun.
Yo, he literally swung his foot at him, like a
Twice.
soccer ball, and then he tried to stomp on him. Brother, that is borderline assault? I don't know,
assault
man.
That's
nga yun.
murder. That's frustrated murder, man.
Dude, don't you EA, I don't care what the game is. EASL, PBA, kahit Pinoy Liga Cup man yan. Meralco, if you try to field in Ismael Romero, brother, just know you do not have any respect from I think a lot of people after that, because that's just blatant from what he did to Nick Demusis kanina. Or
Or sa
the other day.
PBA, wala na yan, di na yan.
Wala
Bro,
na yun, man.
Blacklist na yan.
He should not be even allowed to be in the country.
brother, did
Yeah.
we semi-ban Ronaldo Balkman because he choked Arwind
Yeah,
for
for a good few
2 seconds?
years, di ba, Graham? Mga good few years din.
Yeah, mga ano yun, 5 years yun kasi
Yeah.
2018 siya
I'm
bumalik.
not, I know the choking thing was bad, but he wasn't trying to kill Arwind on live TV. Ismael Romero,
May
even if
intent
it
to,
was-
hurt
bro, he
talaga.
was trying.
Yeah, oo man.
He was trying to murder this man, and man, Nick, I don't know if you're watching this. I doubt you are, but if you are, brother, I got your back, brother. Because no way,
Yeah.
no way in hell we can allow this type of thing in the PBA, man.
No way. No way. Yeah, we got your back, just not face to face with Romero. Just don't put us in an alley, man. We're just yapping. But man, you know what I'm saying is SMB wins in 6 games, I think. It could be the turnaround that BNT is waiting for, but I doubt.
I'm not sure. But I think it goes 7.
Which is fine. I mean, I wouldn't mind a 7th game. This series deserves to be 7 games. But after carrying that heavy door, which I brought out na, by the way,
Nilabas na kaya pala.
I think SMB deserves to win it for me. I mean, has to win it for me, not deserves. They have to win it for me. That's heavy, man. That's a steel door.
I think you're gonna jinx SMB, Graham. with
Graham,
that,
here's my thing,
prop.
dude. I would pay to see you bringing the door in. Like while the way your camera was
Come
off.
on.
He turned it off eh.
Brother.
Oh, I turned it off. I turned it on nung nilabas ko na siya. I just probably wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, dude, I would have paid to see you dragging that door into the room. Because what in the world are we doing at that point? Like,
I dismantled a door.
like imagine me and Nico are just talking, and then you're just there on the side with your whole ass door.
Tapos hindi pa niya i-explain.
Yeah.
Mamaya na daw.
Yeah.
That was doing something. But yeah, SMB, I think we're all in unison. SMB wins game 5 na.
Ako,
I think
yeah,
so.
I think we're all SMB
I think it goes
in game
SMB,
5.
TNT, then I don't know what happens in game 7.
Alright.
Kailangan natin manood game 7 live. No? Kung makikita tayo tickets, hirap doon. Game 7.
That's
What do
true.
you mean? It's not hard to get tickets for this series, man.
No, Patron.
Oh, yeah,
Madali
this,
ba ako?
Ay, yeah.
Lower box madali. Patron medyo mahirap.
Yeah. No, I mean, I'm telling you. Well, you don't have to worry about that. It's not going to 7. That's it.
and then he just
Alright.
walks out. And then he just walks out.
No, I returned some.
Alright, man.
Alright guys, thank you so much for listening to our podcast, PBA Finals Game for a recap. Follow 530 on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Don't forget to follow our Facebook group, 6-Man Podcast _Benchmark. We'll see you all next time. Peace.
Adios, amigos. SMB in 6.